everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you what I do to my eyebrows. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, just keep on watching. So right now I'm just brushing out my eyebrows just to get them in the direction that I want them to go. And then you'll see me outline them. And then after I outline them, I will just fill them in with my eyeliner pencil, which is what I use for my eyebrows. I don't use an eyebrow pencil. I use eyeliner, usually waterproof. I don't think this one is waterproof, but I usually use waterproof. So once again, then I'll blend it out to my liking. And then once I blend it out to the way that I like, I will get a concealer brush, and I use two concealers from LA Pro Conceal in the color Fawn and in the color Cool Tan. I'll use the Fawn underneath my eyebrow, and I'll use the Cool Tan above my eyebrow. And that's what you see me doing right now. Okay everybody, so in this clip you see me doing the same thing to the other eyebrow, which is just brushing it in the direction that I want it to go, and then I will outline it just as I did the other eyebrow, and then once I'm done outlining, I will fill it in. If you guys want me to give you a more detailed tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, just leave a comment below. Okay guys, so this is just me cleaning up my eyebrows, brushing them the way I want them to go, getting them how I want them to look with the final product. And then once I do that, they kind of just look like this. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye guys.